So one of the things that you can actually go ahead and do is add in a watermark or a logo while the video is being played back. So to do that, let me just go ahead and load up a video right here. And in order to go ahead and add a watermark or logo, I'm going to go around over here onto the tools menu, and then I'm going to go around onto effects and filters. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around over here onto video effects. Then I'm going to go to overlay. Once I do that, I need to enable add logo and click on the 3-dot button to go ahead and then load up the logo. And now you can go ahead and then load up the folder where you have your logo, select it and click on open. Once you do that, this is what you have. As you can see, you got the logo, and you can go ahead and add in, let's say for example, some padding over here. In pixels, you can just go ahead and add in 60 pixels, and it goes 60 pixels to the right. The size of the logo is dependent on the resolution that it has. I can go ahead and change around the opacity as well. And if I were to save it and close it, then you'll be able to see the logo right here as a watermark for the video that plays out. And that is how you can go ahead and add in a watermark or logo while playing videos inside a VLC Media Player. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.